Hello, and welcome to another week of Midweek Motivation and Mortgage Information. I am your mortgage agent, Keisha Johnson. I am licensed under Royal Dominion Mortgages, but my company is RTS Mortgage Financial. I do hope that you're doing well. I hope that you're keeping safe during this time, but most of all, I hope that you're remaining encouraged to some degree. I know it's not easy, and you can easily be discouraged, right, during this time, but I hope that you're remaining positive. At this time there are many people who are home, which means that you may have a little bit more time to get some things done. And the quote that I'm going to stick to throughout all this is, come out of this ahead and not behind, right? You may have a business plan, or you've been thinking of maybe building your own business. This is a time that you can get all your thoughts in order and put things together and position things so that you can come out of this ahead and not behind. I can't stress on this anymore. Even with your children, there are many things that you can do. I know that teachers are doing things online, but there are many things that you can do to try to help them to enhance their knowledge and to make sure that they come out of this ahead and not behind. So let's remain encouraged and let's come out of this ahead and not behind. All right. Now, as mentioned, the reverse mortgage product is what I will be focusing on. I did a bit of that last week, and I mentioned that I was going to go over the myths this week. But before I do that, I just want to remind you, of course, that I have my home ownership seminar. That is the Building Your Credit and the home purchase process this evening at 7 p.m. You don't want to miss it. The link is included in this post. If you're someone who's looking to purchase a property, if you're someone who doesn't know a lot about credit and how to build it, how to maintain it, definitely you want to get in on this seminar. Credit is so important. It makes a lot of difference with regards to you being put into a box, and for you having options when it comes to the mortgage product. And with the best credit, of course, that's going to give you the best interest rate, which is going to trickle down, of course, to what your monthly mortgage payment is going to be. So it's a big deal, right? And it's the first thing that I pull when a client is serious about purchasing a property. So I encourage you to join me this evening at 7 p.m. You don't want to miss it. I do believe that you'll gain some great information that's going to put you in a better position for purchasing a property down the line, right? And you may not be ready right now, but I believe in positioning yourself, right, to make sure that when that time comes, you have everything in order. All right, so I look forward to seeing you this evening at 7 p.m. Okay, now, with regards to the reverse mortgage, the myths. Now I'm going to read it. I want to make sure that I don't miss out on anything. So first myth is that the bank owns the home. All right. Now this is not true. Fact is that you always maintain title ownership and control of your home, and you have the freedom to decide when and if you'd like to move or sell. All right. Now myth number 2. Let me see here. Okay, so you will owe more than your home is worth. All right, fact is, clients can qualify for up to 55% of the appraised value of the home, 33% on average. Due to Home Equity's bank conservative lending practices, you can be confident that there will be equity left in your home when the loan is repaid. In fact, over 99% of Home Equity's bank clients have equity remaining in the home when the loan is repaid. All right. Now, next myth is a reverse mortgage is a solution of last resort. Many financial professionals recommend a reverse mortgage because it's a great way to provide financial flexibility since it's tax-free money. Okay? It allows retirement savings to last longer. So it's a great retirement option, for seniors. So keep in mind, this is for those who are 55 and over. Okay. And it's great, a retirement option. You might want to take money out maybe to help your children purchase a property. Maybe you want to do renovation. Maybe you want to travel. All right. So your home can give you this. And this is why I always say owning a home definitely comes with responsibility. Don't get me wrong, but it's like a bank account, right? When you put that money into your mortgage, that's your money. And it has the potential to grow. That equity has the potential to grow. But, if you're renting, then, once you give that landlord that money, that's it, right? But this could be your own personal saving. Now, don't get me wrong, homeownership is not for everyone. There are some people who are quite happy and content with renting, and that's fine, right? We all have a choice, and for those, that's their option. All right. So the final myth is you cannot get a reverse mortgage if you have an existing mortgage. And the fact is, many home equity bank clients use a reverse mortgage to pay off their existing mortgage and other debts, freeing up cash flow for you to use. So you can use it to pay off any debts. You can use it to pay off your existing mortgage, and also free up cash flow to use for whatever you wish to use it for, as I just mentioned, whether it be traveling, whether it be home renovation. It's your choice. It's your money, right? So there are options. All right. So how great would it feel, of course, to be free of that regular mortgage payment, and this gives you that option. Or that opportunity where you don't have a monthly mortgage payment. All right. So I hope that, this gives you a little bit more insight with regards to the reverse mortgage product. You can certainly reach out to me if you need some more information. And I'll be more than happy to provide you with that information. All right, so you enjoy the rest of your Wednesday. And remember, once again, join me this evening at 7 p.m. if you're interested to learn a little bit more about, building your credit, a little bit more about, types of mortgage, whether it be, the variable rate versus the fixed rate, what the amortization is, the stress test. I'll be covering a few things, and I know that definitely that you'll walk away with a wealth of information. All right, thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of the day.